Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the black appearance package, convenience package, as well as the advanced towing package, and the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing with your tow hitch receiver, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front. We got that nice black outline on the bed of the truck, running boards on either side, blind spot detection, the nice XLT logo with mud flaps on the front, license plate bracket, lock heater, recovery hooks, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray, black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. You got some textured plastic on the door, storage, USB-C, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space with under-seat storage as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat, manual passenger seat, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, you got power folding mirrors, got your lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 281 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media. We got your volume voice, cruise control, lane centering, digital speedometer, your main menu, which has my view, trip and feel, towing, off-road, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. We got our gear select right here with parking brake, auto stop auto start, rear locking diff, traction, tow and haul mode, four-wheel drive and drive modes, cup holders, a little storage here, wireless charging, some outlets, and more storage below. We do get your nice big infotainment system with your basic climate controls right here, hazards, volume, all that jazz, storage above, below, your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, you got your climate controls right here, Sirius XM, phone controls, your navigation, your media again, and your tow and haul mode. With your phone settings, you got auto hold, phone, all that normal stuff, and your backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE60482, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.